After registering, you'll land on the LaunchPod dashboard. To begin, either choose a new project or click the new project button. On the Create Project page, you'll need to fill in 3 key details: the project name and description, and select the project type: pipe, podcast, audio blog, audiobook, or educational content. We will go with audiobook this time. There are 2 ways to proceed. Go with an empty audiobook or generate chapters with titles and descriptions. Let's go with the second way. Once your audiobook has been created, you will be taken to the project page and you will see that you have some chapters already included in the project. Here you have already prepared titles and descriptions for each of the chapters. The ideas for content have been taken from your project title and description. Let's add a new chapter. Click Add a New Chapter to begin creating. When you start creating the chapter, you have 2 options: continue with AI or use your own text. We will go with a content. Enter the chapter title, provide details for understanding the topic, and write a description with additional information. The more information you give to 2,000 characters, the more accurate your script will be. Or simply click Generate Ideas with AI and the app will use the project's title and description to provide you with ideas. Next, choose the chapter's duration and language. The next step is script generation. Start by generating chapters which give you overview of the final script. Review or edit the chapters. Then move on to generating the full script. It might take a bit longer, but the results are worth it. You can edit the script with up to 2,000 characters per section. Next, you can choose the music for your chapter. You can add intro, background, or outro music and even adjust the background music's volume. This step is optional, but adds a nice touch. Finally, it's time to select voice VAs. Choose your reader voice from our library of over 500 high-quality options. You can even clone your own voice, though this feature is currently available only in English. Once you've selected the voices, click Generate Audio and let us work our magic. You'll receive an email notification when your chapter is ready. When it's ready, you can distribute the track to major streaming platforms, download or share it with your friends. Dive into the world of AI-powered audio with LaunchPod AI. By the way, this audio was created by LaunchPod.